Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we will install and configure Jenkins on Windows 11. You can download it from the official Jenkins website at jenkins.io. Type Jenkins download in your browser and open the first link. Here, you can see options for stable and weekly releases. We will choose LTS, which stands for long-term support. The Jenkins download page offers multiple options based on your requirements, including WAR files, Docker, Kubernetes, Ubuntu, Mac OS, and Windows. Before downloading, we should check the hardware and software requirements. I will select the Windows operating system. So, Windows requires a minimum of 256 megabytes of RAM and at least 1 GB of drive space. But for a small team, they recommend a more robust configuration, 4 GB of RAM and at least 50 GB of drive space. And let's review the Java requirements. Jenkins requires Java versions 11, 17, or 21 for configuration. And you can see that all the setup options for installing Jenkins on Windows are available. You can download Jenkins for various platforms, including WAR files, Docker, Kubernetes, Ubuntu, Mac OS, and Windows. Now, we can download Jenkins for Windows. If the file doesn't download when you launch this page, you can click the link to download it manually. Here is the local domain and port to access the Jenkins server. Localhost 8080. If you want to change the Jenkins configuration, you can modify the jenkins.xml file located in the installation directory. After the installation, you can start or stop the Jenkins service using the SC command line tool. Okay, let's start the Jenkins installation. This is the installation directory. If you want, you can change it. Click Next. I will select local system here because I will run this server under my current user account. The default port is 8080. You can check if this port is available on your computer. If you're using another server, such as Ionic, the port might already be assigned. You can update the port number here. Click Next. The next step is to install the required Java software. My computer does not have the required Java version. So, we need to download Java 21 to meet Jenkins requirements. Now, we can select the Java 21 directory. I won't change anything here, we'll leave it as default. Click Next and install. Software setup is complete. Now, open localhost 8080 in your web browser. Now, we need to retrieve the secret password from the selected directory for Jenkins installation. Open the file in Notepad, then copy and paste the password into the field. We can select the suggested plugins here. Let's wait for the required Jenkins plugins to be installed. Next, we should create an admin account to access Jenkins. You can change the domain port if needed. Setup is complete. Let's start the Jenkins server. We can start or stop the Jenkins server using sc terminal commands. Let me demonstrate it using the sc command. Now, let's check how to stop the Jenkins server. We can see that Jenkins has stopped successfully. Let's start it again using sc start Jenkins. Let's explore project creation in the upcoming video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and share your valuable feedback.